Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I am doing a super simple summer inspired glam look. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. As you can see, I already have my foundation on. If you want to see how I got this foundation look, check out my full coverage foundation routine video. I'll link that below for you guys. So now I'm going to begin with the eyes. First, I'm going to use my NATASHA DENONA Chroma Crystal Top Coat. I'm just going to take a concealer brush and dip that in there. Make sure you smooth out any creasing you might have before you start. Now I'm going to take this light purple right here from the CARLI BYBEL Deluxe Edition palette. I'm just going to very gently put a little bit in my crease. And then I'm dragging it up just so that it fades and blends nicely. Now I'm going back in with that NATASHA DENONA top coat, really trying to pack it on. For my brows, I'm going to be using my BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette. The brush that I'm using is Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12. For blush today, I'm also using BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette. My favorite one. I know it's broken, but light pink. So cute. For highlight, I'm going in with CARLI BYBEL Deluxe Edition palette. I'm going to use her purple highlight. Also putting that in the tear ducts. For highlighting my cheeks, I don't want to go too crazy. I want to keep it very subtle. Well, sort of subtle. So I'm going to take the bronzy one from CARLI BYBEL's palette and just tap it. For liner today, I'm going to be using the Tarteist Duo liner. One side has liquid, one side has pencil. I'm going to use the liquid side. For lashes today, I'm using BH Cosmetics Studio Pro D301. A good little tip is to always curl your own lashes before applying false lashes. Helps keep them looking all like they are the same, and then mascara after. You also want to let the glue get a little bit dry and tacky before trying to put them on. If the glue is too wet, it's just going to slide all around. If it has a little bit of tackiness to it, then it will stick where you want it to stick and you'll be able to manipulate it better. For mascara today, I'm using my favorite, SMASHBOX X-Rated. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of this Wander Beauty nude pencil for my waterline. This is going to help your eyes just look more awake and bigger and brighter. For my lip liner, I'm using this SEPHORA brand lip liner in the color The NUDEIST. Really funny story. So I thought it was the type of liner that you sharpen with a pencil sharpener, and you don't. It's just a twist up one. So it looks like a dog chewed my lip liner, but that was just me. So And I am overlining my lips a little bit because who can afford lip filler? Am I right? And I'm like outlining them and then kind of like shading just a little bit to make it like a gradient. I'm gonna take this YSL Beauty lipstick in the color Rouge Volupte. It's this really cute pink. I'm just gonna do a little bit of that. I top that off with my JOULE topper in Skinny Dip. And I just concentrated that mostly in the middle of my lips. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I am still doing my $20 off special for any makeup service. So whether that be a makeup lesson or makeup application for a girls' night out, a date night, wedding, whatever it is, you'll get $20 off if you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video on any platform that you have. That's totally fine. Just whatever, just share it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.